I'm Sansa Stark of Winterfell. This is my home, and you can't frighten me.
Hi guys, this is Ayin and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video is another celebrity inspired makeup tutorial, but this is more on a character inspired makeup. You probably know from the title, but this look is inspired by Sansa Stark of Game of Thrones, because right from the beginning, I've always been a Stark girl. Gusto ko talaga yung clan ng Stark, and si Sansa, maganda yung naging character development niya from season 1 up to this season. So, hindi ko man siya favorite from the beginning, but I definitely see her in a different light now. So, yun, naisip ko, why don't I create a makeup look inspired by her? Itong makeup look na to, obviously, this is not a makeup transformation in any way. Marami akong tweaks na ginawa. If you're gonna look at the still photos, makita mo na usually wala naman talagang eye makeup yung mga artista. So, ito, nilagyan ko lang siya just for an added touch para lang ma-personalize natin yung Sansa Stark look. If you guys wanna know how I did this look, first, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell notification so you get notified whenever I post new videos, and so that will be part of our click here. So, if you guys wanna know how I did this overall Sansa Stark, Winterfell, snobbish, I really don't know how to describe this look, but yeah. If you wanna know how I did this look, then just keep watching. I'll just let the primer sit in, so I'm gonna proceed to the brows. For the brows, I'm just gonna use the Sunny's Face Life Brow and the Maybelline Fashion Brow Color Drama. And yeah, I'm gonna do my brows off cam and I will be right back. Okay, so the brows are on and now we will move on to foundation. So for foundation and concealer, I'm just gonna use the Cover FX Total Cream Cover Foundation and the ColourPop No Filter Concealer, because I need a like stark white base because Sansa is very white. Kind of pale, but not Daenerys Targaryen pale, or yeah, I don't know. But she's kind of pale, so I'll just combine these two. I'm gonna use the Kat Von D Shade and Light Contour Kit. So first, I'm gonna take the banana shade and put it on the under eye area. I'm gonna use this powder from the Marc Jacobs Mirage Filter. And I'm going to bake today on the under eye area and dito. So, I'm going to get my loose powder. While we let that sit, we are going to go first to the eyes. Actually, very simple lang yung eye makeup niya. It's parang all neutral colors lang, kasi hindi naman sila ganun mag-eye makeup sa show. We're going to go for neutrals, pero siguro with a little twist lang, just to make it a bit different since this is a makeup tutorial. So I'm gonna use today, I'm so excited to use the Dominic Cosmetics Latte Palette. So sobrang excited akong mabili to. Sobrang tagal ko nang gustong magkaroon nito, but yeah, ayan siya. Ayan yung packaging niya. So, this will be my first time to use this. And inside, you get all these amazing neutral shades. And then, meron lang ditong tatlong parang pop of color if you wanna amp your look. But yeah, I'm so happy that I finally have this in my collection kasi matagal ko na talaga itong gusto. In case you're wondering where I got this from the Vanity Zone. So the first thing that I'm going to do is I'm gonna take vanilla cream. Alright, and then I'm taking caramel. this shade right here. And then, I want to deepen up yung sa crease part. So, I'm gonna take a bit of mocha. This shade right here. And I'm also gonna buff that on my crease. But I'm gonna use a very light hand kasi medyo, I think this is dark. And I'm also gonna focus this here on the outer corner of the eyes. Going back to caramel, the first shade that we used. And then let's go back to mocha. Next, I'm going to take vanilla cream. I'm going to apply that here. This one. This is espresso, and I'm going to put that here on the inner half of the eyelids. I'm taking caramel again, and I'm going to buff that on my lower lash line. I'm also gonna take mocha, but I'll be focusing this on just the outer corner. And then just to add a little bit of something, I'm going to use cold brew. This very interesting parang teal blue-green shade. And ilalagay ko rin siya dito sa outer corner ng eyes. Actually, I'm going to get a more taupey eyeshadow. So I'm going into my Naked Smoky by Urban Decay, and I'm gonna get Password. Okay, so now I'm going to put on mascara off cam, and I will be right back so we can finish off the rest of the face. Okay, so now we will move on to contour. Now, I have to really contour my face kasi yung mukha ni Sophie Turner, Sansa Stark, yung kanyang jawline is very prominent, or yung kanyang jawline, iba rin talaga eh. So, kailangan natin mag-contour. Then going back to the banana powder, I'm just going to put powder here. So there you have it, guys. This is our final makeup look. This is my take on Sansa Stark's makeup. if Sansa is wearing makeup. You know what I'm saying? Kasi sa show naman talaga, wala naman silang parang eyeshadow look talaga. Pag makita mo yung mga still photos nila from the show, makita mo na barely there talaga yung makeup nila. So, medyo nilagyan ko lang ng twist yung kanyang overall look. But, yeah, this is inspired by her. So, yun. Sana nagustuhan nyo tong video na to. And I'm so excited sa mga susunod na episodes ng Game of Thrones. Pero, malungkot ako kasi since 2012, pinapanood ko na yon. And, ang hirap isipin na yung pinapanood mo for 7 years, matatapos na siya. 'Di ba? Parang yung Avengers lang. Buhay. But anyway, so ganun talaga ang buhay. Sabi nga ni Varys, nothing lasts forever. So there you have it guys. Sana nagustuhan nyo tong ating video for today. If you did, please don't forget to hit the like button, comment, and of course, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I would highly, highly appreciate it. I don't have anything more to say. Thank you so much for watching. See you guys again in my next video. Bye!